Right now, we're rushing to get ready for Christmas. Some business owners are also moving quickly.
That's right, Mary. They have to. If they're going to take advantage of some certain tax breaks before the end of the year.
Back to compute this from Schrock Innovations, our buddy Thor Schrock. Hello.
Yes.
No,
Your
Mike,
replacement
something is different. Have you lost weight?
Lost weight, lost hair, and looked a lot better.
So you must have gone somewhere warm for vacation.
What is going on? These segments are all destroyed
you
now.
said you refer to yourself as chocolate goodness off the
Yeah,
top.
that's what it is, yeah.
There you go. And now we have our own Duck Dynasty moment, right?
That's
there. Controversy.
It's nice to have you back, but
Thank you.
Chris was such a great representative for you while you were away.
Yeah, well, he did a great job.
Yeah.
He held down a radio show, too.
Yeah.
He said, I'll do the morning blend for you anytime you want, but next time you find someone else to do that radio show for an
it's
hour.
a lot harder. So this tax break we're talking about, one in particular that business owners are going to need to move quickly on. What is it?
Yeah, basically, now I'm not an accountant, so you should always talk to your accountant about tax stuff. You know, that's the smart thing to do. But every year the government has been extending this tax credit for equipment purchases. So if you want to buy a bunch of equipment, you can buy it, and then instead of having to depreciate it over 5 or a 10-year period, you can take a big chunk of that depreciation, or all of it in some cases, up front as an expense in 1 year. So it really boosts your profitability up and you get new equipment. Well, that tax credit is set to expire at the end of this year. And it's a very expensive tax credit for the government to keep renewing, and with the feds backing off on the quantitative easing, everything seems to be okay. You know, everything's going good with the economy now. So there's the consensus is that probably will not be renewed next year. And so as a result, if you're a business and you have equipment you need to purchase, obviously I'm here to talk about computers and technology and things, but this applies to cars. If you need a new refrigerator for the break room, I mean, any of that stuff, any equipment you need to purchase as a business, it's important. You don't have to take delivery of it before the end of the year, but you have to make the purchase before December 31st.
So your clients have been buying new equipment because of this?
Oh, absolutely. In fact, the holiday special this year, we doubled the number of computers available. We had 300 instead of 150. And we had companies coming in and buying 14, 15, 16 at a time to replace all the computers in their offices.
Remind us about why that was so appealing, not just to business owners, but regular Joes and Janes who needed a new PC.
Well, aside from the tax break for businesses, obviously, the holiday special desktop computer is the most powerful, most capable computer you can purchase. And as a result, when you go buy a computer from the box store, like an HP or a Dell or something, you're going to use it for 18 to 24 months. In Nebraska, we're a little more frugal. We might get 3 years out of it, and then you're going to throw it away and buy a new one. Well, the holiday special computer, because it's just ridiculously overspec'd. I mean, people get it and they're like, I don't need that much.
Yeah.
But you want to buy something that's more than what you need so it will last you longer. And so we have customers, we have videos on our website at SchrockInnovations.com of customers who've used them for the last 10 years, and they're buying new software that just came out and putting them on this 10-year-old computer.
Wow.
And it's flying, and they just love it.
Now, is it too late to buy the holiday special now?
No, you can still get one if you want. I know you just heard about it now.
Yeah,
But
I'm just a normal consumer.
Yeah.
And I don't have a business, but how does this affect the normal, stay-at-home type of person?
Well, the first thing is the reason the holiday special is such a special, basically, is we have limited quantity. The reason the quantity is limited is because we sell it at cost. This computer, if you were to buy it from Dell, would be a $3,500 computer. From Apple, it'd be a $5,000 computer.
Oh, wow.
We're selling it for $1,600, for $1,599. It's at our cost, so we obviously have to limit the quantity because of that. We obviously, if you need one for Christmas, it's a little late. We have to build them. We're promising by the end of January at this point. But we can give you a nice receipt that you can put in an envelope and stick it under the tree. And here's your new computer.
Yeah. So why do I think people are going to say, Thor, that defies common sense. You're a business owner. It doesn't make sense to sell something at cost. So why do you do it?
Well, Schrock obviously sells computers and fixes computers. And we have all these products and services we deliver. But the main product that keeps us in business is our service. And so what we're trying to do here is we're trying to show people there is an alternative to going out and spending the money on a computer you're going to throw away in 2 years. You can get something that's going to last, and then you can experience what it's like when you have a problem with your computer. You can pick up the phone and call the person who sold it to you.
Right.
I mean, try doing that at Best Buy. There was some guy named Andy. He had longer hair. He was wearing a blue shirt. I remember that. You can't do that and it's not just Best Buy, but you can't do that at a box store.
Yeah.
So when you have that relationship there, what ends up happening is no matter what that person needs or what anyone in their family needs, they become an advocate for Schrock. And then that leads us, we just found out we won the the #1 computer repair Best of Omaha
Yeah.
award again this
great.
year.
That's
And it
wonderful.
wasn't just like we were in the top 3. We got the banner and we realized, oh, they give you a different banner if you actually get first place.
Oh,
We got the first place banner. We're like, oh,
That's
it's
awesome.
either new this year or we won
Congratulations.
like second last year. I don't know.
That's
But
great.
that talks about a little bit about your business
Yeah.
and how you service
People
your
are happy.
customers. That's really good.
3 locations, a couple in the Omaha area and then one in Lincoln. We'll show you those addresses here. Thor mentioned the website at SchrockInnovations.com. You can also keep in touch with them on Facebook. They're always putting out specials and advice, and in this day and age where, listen, is your credit card information safe?
Oh, golly.
What's this new update all about? I mean, we all have questions as consumers, and Thor and his team address a lot of that on Facebook, so I'd encourage you to keep in touch there.
And it's safe to shop at Target right now. That's the question I get asked every time I go on TV.
Right.
It's safe right now. My card is one of the ones that was compromised because I shop there like twice a week.
Really?
Listen, yeah, even a know-it-all like you wasn't safe. So.
Well, you know, when the bank gets robbed, everyone's money gets stolen, right?
That's true. Not unless you don't have any. Thanks, Thor. Nice to see you. Merry Christmas.
Merry
okay?
Christmas, guys.
All right.